I made a new foil because there was some what is it called? How you call it? Like very tiny bits of when cutting the aluminum strings, pieces, thingies. I don't know. There was something left which screwed up my result. Also, I removed one of the dampening because I had the feeling it was stuck against the back dampening stuff. So I'm just gonna redo it again. Yeah, fuck, this stuff is so light. Well, I'll do this one then. I want a piece to grab onto. Let's add the big thing. Not got tension all the way down. It kind of works so far. So it's not perfect yet, but I'm going to apply these. Hopefully I can align it somehow. Too much tension. Oh no, it's thrown away. I think they use weights normally to get consistent. Oh. Also probably use way longer foil so you have more stuff to play with. This looks okay-ish. And screw this one down and adjust the other one if it needs any adjustment. I need actually a support in the middle, somewhere along the way. It's scraping against that side. Not sure why. It looks like it still gets sucked in. It might actually be that this stuff is slightly static or something, which kind of screw up my thing I'm trying to do here. This is why I should have made the holes a little bit bigger. Since this fucker doesn't want to move upwards. Please don't snap. Fuck. I know what I did. You see, the foam stuff I used to dampen it is slightly sticky, and just before I wanted to do this second time I thought, should I give it some chalk to prevent this from happening, which is happening right now. Ah, there we go. It's very hard. This thing is too long to be unsupported. So I need a support somewhere. That's gonna be a problem. I think this is as best I can with such a long ribbon. I need something to support it in the middle, but I'm not sure what that might be yet. But is it floppy now? More or less, but sorry you can't see, but it's so weird. It looks like the stuff is static or something. I'm gonna try it. So it is in there, and as you can see, it actually needed, by the looks of it, it needs a bit more adjustment. It needs the support in the middle. Otherwise it will just suck into the magnet structure. I'm not sure what that is. So now it is not rubbing anywhere. Hard to see, but it isn't. There is room. So, and now it plays correctly. There's still one distortion peak, which I'm not sure what it is. Might be because the backside is kind of closed. Or at least there are holes, but might not be enough. I used only one dampening pad this time, because I thought I was like attracted to the dampening, which might be the case, but might as well be that it needs another support in the middle, otherwise it just goes wherever it pleases. The rest of the structure works exactly as I would hope it would work, so I made a fast measurement. Let's see what it does. I'll show you, by the way. But it doesn't look bad. There's one thing at 8K, and I'm not sure what that is. Can be, I don't know, might be anything. It has no baffle right now at all, or at least on one side, so it only plays from, I believe, 3K or something. But that's more than enough for what I want to use it for, so that's cool. They're not long enough, so, but it's just a proof of concept. I can get these bars in any length, so hell yeah. So if I move over to the laptop, which is, yeah, there you can see there the bass mid driver, and there is the tweeter, which is rather okayish. Nice. Measured from this distance, like 1.5 meters or something, maybe more. But I'll put some images in. That's it for now, I think. See ya!